In this video, I will show you how to make custom phone cases. Whether you want to make them for yourself as a gift or to sell online, it's all possible using this tool right here called Printify. Printify is the best custom phone case maker out there in my opinion, because the phone cases are high quality, it's really easy to use, and you can use it completely for free except from the actual price for the phone case, which is not a lot either. Here we have a really high quality product and they have 51 different sizes, so for 51 different phones, whether you want to do it for a Samsung, for iPhones, it's all possible, and you can just upload your own design and I'll show you how you can do this. You can see this product starts from 13 euros 42 cents, which is about $15, which is in my opinion a very good price to pay for a custom phone case. So I'll show you how you can use this. First, you want to go and click on the link down in the description, and that will take you to this page right here. So that's the Printify website. Then what you want to go and do is in the top right, click sign up, and here simply sign up with Google or enter your email address and password. Now here you have a couple of questions. So first, what best describes you? If you want to sell them online, select I have an e-commerce store. If you're a social media influencer, you can select that. But for example, I will say I represent a company. Then what is your main objective? Now, as you can see, you can order products for yourself. You can start your first online business, or you can order merchandise for a company, whatever you want. Let's say order merchandise for a company. Now, what type of company do you represent? Let's say entertainment and media. And I will say order products for my company internal use. And now how did you find out about Printify? I'll just select YouTube. And that's all you need to do to create your Printify account. Now a pretty cool thing is that if you sign up to Printify using the link down in the description, you will get a $5 discount on your first order. And all you need to do for this is follow these steps right here. So first sign up for Printify. Now we have already done that. Now click create your first product right here and then go and search for phone. Now here you can choose your target market, so where you are located. For me it's Europe, so I'll select Europe, but you can also do USA, UK, whatever you want. Now here you have a couple of different types of products. So you have, for example, a phone case with a card holder, you have flip cases, flexi cases, so you can choose whichever one you want. They also have biodegradable cases, by the way, but the one that I like are the tough cases right here, so that's the one that I will select, although these ones are really nice as well. So these are also a little bit cheaper. You can see they are about 4 euros cheaper. So for this example, I'll just select this one right here. Now here you have some mockups, and you can actually create your own custom mockups. So it will show your design on here. So for example, like this. And I'll quickly show you how you can actually create your custom design using Printify. So first select the phone case that you want. I'll choose the flexi case right here. And then what you want to do is scroll down a bit and here click on start designing. Now here you have a tour that you can do. Now I already know how to use this, but this may be useful for you. I'll just click explore by myself. So now here you can actually go and design your own phone case. Now if you click upload right here, you can actually upload your own design. And what's really useful here is that you get a print area size. So for this one, it's 869 by 1749. So what I'm going to do is open up Canva, since Canva is a really easy place to actually make designs, and then I will click create a design and click custom size. Now we know that the printable space is this right here, so 869 by 1749 for this specific product. So now what we are going to do is click create new design. So now we have this design right here and we can actually go in and create this design. Now on Canva you also have templates. So for example, if we search for phone case, you will also have some templates right here, such as this one. And now we actually have this product that we can also customize the colors of. Now you probably just want to go and create your own design, but they do have some pretty cool templates here that you can try. So for example, this one. And now what you can do is just take all of this and align it to the page so that it actually fills up the entire page like this. So just go and create your own design. You can go off of their templates, or if you want to create them, for example, for your company, then you can also just upload your logo. And if you're wondering how to do that, you can go to uploads here, then click upload files, and then here just go and upload your logo. And then you can just drag it in here and place it wherever you want. So for example, I'll just choose this right here as a design. And now once you're happy with the design that you have created, you can click share in the top right, then click download, and now just go and click download again. So now we are downloading our phone case design and we can go back to Printify. And now here go and click on new upload and then my device. And now just upload the design you created. So click open, and now it should fit perfectly, as you can see right here, because we chose the exact dimensions that it's in. So now here you can select variants. So I have iPhone 14, then you can do 14 Pro, and all of these other ones, and they also have Samsung, which you will see right here. So if I select a Samsung, you can see the camera is very different. So just select the phones that you want to create it for. You can literally do all of them if you want, and then click Save Product. So now we have created this product right here. So now we also have some mock-ups right here. And so you have the front, then here you have a close-up, a top angle, side angle, context 1 and context 2. Now if you click on this image, you can see that this looks very good, and it's a beautiful mock-up that we have now created that you can actually add to your website if you intend on selling this online. And in my opinion, Printify is by far the best tool to actually create these custom phone cases, because they are really high quality, they are very cheap, and the design process is super simple. So you can see even these mock-ups are really high quality, and if you were to add these to your website, I'm pretty sure you would get a bunch of sales if your marketing is also good. Now here just go and choose your product title, the description. Now this only matters if you are selling it to other people. If you just want to order it for yourself and, for example, your business, then you don't need to do all of this. However, what you can do is choose the phone types of your employees if you want to do it for your company, for example, and then you can actually send it to them. Now what you can do is publish a store. So if we click connect a store right here, you can now click connect right there. And then you can connect to Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Walmart, Printify, Pop-Up, or any of these other ones. Now I'll just choose Printify Pop-Up since I don't want to create an entire store. Now choose the country of tax residence. So for example, I'll select United States, then click next. Now you can choose a theme for your Printify Pop-Up. For example, I'll select this one and then click launch Pop-Up Store. Now if I click see my store, you will now have this store right here. And we need to first go and publish our product. So if you go back here and then go to my products, you can see it's unpublished. So go and click on the product, which is the phone case, and then now go and click publish right here. And now it will be publishing. And then after a couple of seconds, it will go to published. So now if we click visit store right here in the top right, we can now see the product right here, and you can actually click on it. Now your employees or whoever you are selling this to can choose the size. So for example, if they have iPhone 14 Pro Max, they can select that, and then they will get some custom mockups, which you can see right here. So if I select Samsung, for example, then it will actually show a Samsung mockup right there. Now they can pick a quantity, and you can see the estimated shipping to wherever your order is coming from, so it chooses this automatically. Now they can click add to cart and actually purchase it. If you want to make some profit, then what you can do is click on the product right here and then increase the price a little bit. So in pricing right here, you can then go and select all, for example, then click edit price. And then you could do, for example, a edit profit. So let's say you want to make €6 profit. You can click apply. And now here you will see the retail price here, and you will see your profit amount. So then it just customizes it to however much profit you want to make. So once you get an order, it will show up here in orders, and Printify will then create the product for you and actually ship it out to the person that ordered it. So that's really simple, and you can also order it for yourself just through your pop-up right here. Click add to cart, then go to checkout and just go and add these details, so contact, shipping, payment and review, and then you can simply go and order it for yourself as well. But if you want to get a $5 discount, which you will get with the link in the description, you can just click order and track a sample right here, then pick the product, then select the size, and then you will actually pay retail price, and you can just go and order it to your own home. So now if you go to shipping, you will now get a $5 discount on this product when you create your account with the link down in the description. So that's pretty cool. So now you know how to make custom phone cases. So again, you can sign up to Printify for free using the link down in the description and receive a $5 discount. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.